Hi guys! Good morning! It's been a while. Sobrang dami kasing ganap lately, kaya hindi masyadong nakakapag-upload. Pero since maganda ang araw today at wala naman tayong masyadong gagawin, samahan niyo ako for an autumn walk and a bit of mushroom hunting. Almost tapos na rin ang mushroom season, so hopefully makakita pa tayo ng mga natitira. Let's go! After spotting some mushrooms, yun na nga guys, ang hirap ng tumigil kasi sobrang nakaka-addict. Pero reminder lang ha, hindi lahat ng mushrooms safe. Ang daming poisonous types, so always do your research and be careful out there. Compared to last year, mas konti yung nakuha namin ngayon kasi medyo late na kami nakapag-mushroom hunting. Pero ang saya pa rin ng experience. Tignan nyo naman yung kasama ko, hindi masyado ng halata, diba? Tuwang-tuwa at nag-e-enjoy. Pang trick or treat pa talaga. Yung dalang basket. After mushroom picking, we decided to enjoy the sunny autumn weather. Paminsan-minsan lang kasi lumalabas ang araw pag ganitong buwan. Sobrang lamig na actually, pero carry lang. May dala naman akong extra jacket. Of course, may kasamang coffee and snacks.
Ja, de likte det. Det var nice. Det var nice. Å, det er bra. Fortsett. Bra lys. Å. Å. Ja, bra. Ja, her var det bra lys. Skal jeg snu deg?
Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice weekend. Bye!